Hi there, AJ from the Digi Dojo.com. Again, finished my morning session, so you know what time it is. It's time for another mini class. Today we'll cover front hand striking. Now in boxing, usually a jab doesn't contain that much power because it is the setup for the big blow. However, in karate, we want every single thing of our body to act as a knockout method. So in today's video, in today's mini class, I will be teaching you how to generate loads of power in your front hand and make a fast strike. I prefer to train with weights. Probably my kids were running around with the other one, but I'm gonna strike with one hand anyways, right? But if you have them, if you use them, just grab them. A 1 kilogram weight is more than enough. So right now I want you to take right stance. If right hand is your favorite, then take right stance. And instead of striking straight away with the front hand, we're actually going to rotate our bodies. So take right stance, please. And then simply, change your hands. Rotate your body so that your other hand is in front. Now when you do this, you want to make sure you don't pull your knee back. On the other hand, you don't have to do it in this way as if you're a robot. Just turn naturally, but keep that weight centered. Keep that knee bent forward. Now from this position, you are simply going to strike. So load and strike. So first we're going to repeat this about 10 times. Then we're going to add body movement. Are you ready? So right stance, please. Rotate and change your guard. Then quickly put in the shoulder and strike. Knee. Sam. Shi. Go. Ruk. Shich. Hach. Here. Jump. Alright. For the video's sake, I'm only showing one hand, else it becomes too long, too dragging, but pause me if you will to practice with your left. Right now, we're going to add body movement. So take the same position, change your guard, rotate your body, remember the front knee. Keep that pressure forward. Then, instead of thinking about rotation, think about thrusting the right hip forward, which makes your right knee project and move forward as well. Have a look. So first you're going to prepare, then you're going to thrust your right hip, and that will make your knee move. And when your knee moves, that means that all the resistance, basically your leg is resistant from not making you fall forward. In other words, this is resisting you from moving forward. So if you want to move closer to the opponent, we're going to thrust our hip, but use our knee as a method to let gravity pull us. So get ready. Turn, prepare that hand. Now think about your right hip bone, thrust it forward and slide in. Come back or keep going if you have loads of space. One more. Hip and slide. 8. 8. 8. If you have trouble with this, you can prepare your elbow on the inside, which feels imprisoned for me, but maybe it helps you. 8. 8. 3 more. 8. 8. Remember to put your whole body behind it. 8. You want to make that a knockout punch, not a jab to set up your next one. Right, now put away the weight. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to speed up our training. Again, right stance, please. Open hand, fist. Don't worry about it. Prepare. And instantly shoot out your fist. But put your whole body behind it. Initiate from the hip. Let the chain go. And come back. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. I'm going to do it from here. You can still load if you like, but the same mechanics on a smaller scale. 8. 8. Last time, three more times, guys. 8, 8, 8. All right, high relax. That's how you create power in your front hand. This is what karate is all about, guys. Obviously, we want to perfect our character, but we want to make strong, fast and sharp skills as well. This is a method that allows you to connect your whole body to your strike. Most people, they think a reverse punch, you have loads of more time to generate momentum. So yes, for beginners it may be true that that punch is harder. But as I've just shown you, the front hand can be very, very effective. So thanks for training. I hope you enjoyed this method. I have loads of more waiting for you. In fact, because coronavirus is still hunting us, the book that I launched in March 2020 is again available for free to help you guys out practicing at home. Contains 23 of the best methods that I learned directly from Ishikawa Sakagami, Nukina Mei, and Yokoyama Sensei. So if you're watching this on YouTube, just click the button up there in the screen. It'll take you straight to the page where you can leave your name and email address so I can give you free access to the members area where you can download the book and you get some extra method videos for free as well. Take care and stay tuned for the next one.